Hello and good morning to all. This is the first ever bath of this lost kitten, which I had picked up from the roadside, and she is taking a bath in a big blue bucket. And obviously, this is the first ever bath, as she is not used to of it. That is why she is mewing a lot. I'm sure after a couple of times, when she becomes used to of it, she will enjoy taking bath regularly. Right now, my elder daughter is giving her a bath, and look at the water. It is full of mud now. All this mud and dirt has come out from its fur, and it needs a deep cleaning bath. Hope she will be all right after taking the bath. Then we will feed her with milk, and let us see how does this little poor kitten reacts. How does this little poor kitten react? It is trusting us and sitting calm inside the water in the bucket. No, she is not trusting us. I'm sure in future, whenever she sees this bucket, she will run away. If she does not like to take a bath on regular basis. Okay. Okay. Now.
नहीं वो मेरा वाला है. हो गया?
मुंह जो है तुमने इसका.
मुंह बाद में धो लेंगे. अभी इसको बहुत ठंड लग रही है.
ना इसको अंदर ले चलो.
छू से मत. ओके.